Welcome back to our channel. And bago tayo mag-start guys, gusto ko ulit magpasalamat sa mga nag-like, nag-subscribe at nag-share ng videos natin. Thank you so much guys. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and click the notification button so you will be updated once we have new updated videos. So today guys, gagawa tayo ng isang low carb or keto version ng banana bread. So, nakikita na natin lagi to at isa to sa paborito ni Daddy Moody, kaya gagawin natin siya. And lagi natin siya nakikita sa mga bakeries, sa mga supermarkets. Pero this time, we will make it low carb and keto version. Low carb or keto version. So, let's start. So, here's our ingredients guys. Na-prepare ko na siya and we are already preheating our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And I prepared our 9 by 5 inches baking pan. And I put this overhang baking sheet para kapag inangat mo na yung banana bread natin, mas madali na siyang alisin dito. So, yan. Pinipare ko na yan. And then, on this mixing bowl, I already put together the coconut flour, 3/4 cups, baking soda, 1 teaspoon, sea salt flakes, 1/2 teaspoon, erythritol, 1/2 to 3/4 cup. But I use 3/4 cup, guys. Then, chia seed also we will be needing 1.5 tablespoons. Ayan. Binili ko siya sa Carrefour, guys. Ayan yung binili ko na chia seeds. And then, we will be using also chopped pecans. Since I love pecans. But if you don't have pecans, you can use walnuts. Ayan. But since I still have little, kaya ginamit ko na siya. Also, you will be needing 6 large eggs and 1/2 cup of melted butter and the heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons. Okay? So, yan lahat yung gagamitin natin, guys. And let's start. So, i-mix na natin lahat, guys, yung dry ingredients natin. Ayan. Ilagay mo na rin yung, unang-una muna ilagay natin yung ating melted butter. And we will be putting also our chia seeds. And our pecans. Pag na-incorporate nyo na to lahat, guys, saka mo ilagay yung iyong 6 large eggs and heavy whipping cream. Bali, tsaka nilagay ko na rin dito yung banana extract. So, we use 6 large eggs, guys, kasi ang coconut flour, matakaw talaga siya sa liquid. So, we need to use 6 large eggs. Mix mo lang siya and let it sit for like 5 minutes para lang ma-absorb nung nung coconut flour yung liquid. Kanina 'di ba parang maliquid siya, ngayon tingnan mo. Kasi matakaw ang coconut flour, guys, sa tubig or sa any liquids. Kaya natin dinamihan yung eggs. Ayan, ayan na siya. And then ito na yung prepare kong pan. So, ito na yung ating nilagay sa pan, guys. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng pecans sa ibabaw. And this is ready to put inside the oven. Yan. Here's our banana bread, guys. Kakalabas lang from the oven and see from outside, it is very moist. Ayan. Mamaya natin siya ikat guys kasi mainit-init pa siya. So, hintay-hintay lang natin. Okay? So, eto na yung paborito kong part. Titikman na natin siya, guys. Ayan. Ang ating low-carb, keto low-carb banana bread. And, let's see. Sa labas, guys, makikita mo na siya na very moist. Ayan. Very moist na siya. And, let's taste it. Sarap. So, yung sa sugar niya, guys, kung meron kayong brown lakanto or brown erythritol or yung tinatawag nilang golden, mas gaganda yung kulay niya. But since nakalimutan ko, so okay na rin naman to. Sarap. Ang sarap niya, guys. Kasi yung chia seeds na nilagay natin, yung black na yan, yung may mga black na ganyan, very healthy to. Very healthy. And para siyang, tinatawag nila itong poppy seeds. Kasi kapag kinain mo siya, para siyang yung tumutunog. Parang may crunch pagka kinain mo siya. So, ayun, nakadagdag ng texture doon sa cake natin. So, ayan na nga guys, ang ating, and also yung pecans natin guys, pwede nyo siyang i-alternate sa walnuts ha, since mas gusto kang pecans, but price-wise, mas mura ang walnuts. So, kung meron kayong walnuts, okay lang din yun, mas okay din yun. But if you have pecans, then mas okay kasi paborito ko ang pecans. So, yun na nga guys, ang banana bread, keto or low carb version natin. And I hope you will try this recipe guys dahil talagang sobrang sarap niya and for sure magugustuhan nyo din siya. So, thank you guys and sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and see you on my next vid. Thank you so much guys. Keep safe and God bless. Oh,